Something that we like to do at our parties, seems like it doesn't matter what we're getting together for, but what we like to do is to have snacks ready. Like people will have, maybe my in-laws or the family together for someone's birthday, and it doesn't matter that we're going to serve dinner. There still has to be a snack before dinner. I know that's crazy, but that's what we like to do. So it's always fun to kind of make your snack tray look pretty. So I'm going to just give you a quick tip on how to do that. Things that are really big right now are charcuterie boards. And this is kind of like a little play on that. I know for Christmas, we had a whole bunch of people and I turned my island into a big charcuterie board. It was a lot of fun, but sometimes you just need it on a smaller scale. So it doesn't matter if it's a big or small, you can still make it look pretty. And so anyway, so what I did is, let me take my camera down here. Let me go off of this screen. Okay. Thank you. I think I see you, Judy. There we go. All right. So this is a little board that I made, and I used our rectangular silicone tray to do that, our silicone mold to do that. And it's just a small little tray, but this is really cool because it fits so perfectly on the base of our rectangular cake taker. And then if you want to go to someone's house and take it on the go, you've got a great way to transport it. So a couple things about a little board like this that I think make it lots of fun is that you find ways to fill it in. So I used a Tupperware snack cup because I wanted to serve these amazing jalapeno stuffed olives. I could eat the whole entire jar, but that's beside the point here. So you want to find a way to make sure you fill in all of the little gaps. And that's what makes it that's what makes the presentation look kind of fun. So you can do that with fruit. So I've got grapes here. That makes a nice filler. You can add some greens in here if you wanted to. I've got a couple different types of cheese that I put in here. And then this is super fun. This is what I want to show you how to make. It's a rose this one's made out of hard salami, and it has like a big opening in the center. So I put some cheese cubes in there. And then I used our Tupper Mini here for toothpicks. So people could use the toothpick to pick up the cheese cubes and the olives and things like that. So let me show you real quick. Hopefully y'all can see my little board here. I'm going to show you real quick how to use your snack cup and your Tupper Mini. Shauna, can you give me a thumbs up if you can see me okay here? You can. Fantastic. Okay. Oh, thank y'all. I saw lots of thumbs up. That's awesome. All right. So to make the large flowers with the salami, I use the snack cup. I use our snack cup. And then I'm going to make a smaller, it makes like a rose. It's called a rose. And I'm going to make a smaller one with our Tupper Mini. It's the same exact thing, but you're just going to use it on a snack cup if you want a larger one. All right. So this one I'm using pepperoni. So just a thinly sliced pepperoni. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your Tupper Mini and you're going to put this right on the edge of it and you're going to fold it over. So it looks like this. You're going to fold it over just like that. And so then I'm going to set this down so y'all can see what I'm doing. And then you're going to go along the edge and it overlaps a little bit. See, it overlaps there and there. So it overlaps a little bit and you're just going to keep doing that. So you're going to just keep taking your pepperoni, single pepperoni at a time, and you're just going to keep folding it over. And so now when you get to the end right here, when you're done, you've gone all the way around, you're going to keep doing the same thing, but it's going to be layered. So you're making, I don't know if y'all can see that there, you're making like little petals right here. See the little petal? Petal. You might want to squish it, together a little bit, just kind of mold it to the Tupper Mini, just like that. And you just keep going around. So we're going to go around and you fold it over and you're going to see when we're done what you're going to do. And you can do this with pepperoni. You can do this with salami, with turkey pepperoni, you name it. You can make these with it. And like I said, with the snack cup, you're going to get a large one. And with the Tupper Mini, you're going to get a smaller one. I think the smaller ones, to me, they look a little more pretty. They look a little more like roses whenever you're making them smaller. You just want to overlap a little bit and you can pile it on, make it as big as you want. The more you pile it on, the bigger it's going to be. But let me do one more layer and then I'll just take it off and show you. It's real easy to take them. You think it's going to be like all packed in, and you know your guests aren't going to be able to enjoy it, but it's really easy. They can just take a little toothpick and take it right off. It's very easy to do. All right, so I've got this nice and packed in here. Looks like this. Looks like this. And now I'm just going to take it and put it on here so y'all can see it. So you're going to take it and you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to remove, and look what you have. A beautiful rose. Ta-da! And y'all can see all those little petals in there, and it's made out of pepperoni. So it just looks so pretty when it's sitting out on your tray like that. It just looks so nice. So just a fun way to make your trays look pretty. Now I have pepperoni hands, but anyway, it's a fun way to make your trays look pretty.